Guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the TRP. TRP here stands for the transient receptor potential, and this is the ion channel and also the receptors. So to begin with, we look at the TRPV1. So what is TRPV1? It is the stimulus being the capsaicin and capsaicin. Now here the temperature will be greater than 43 degrees. Next is a TRPV. Next is TRPV2. Here the temperature is greater than 52. So 2 ends with 2, so it's 52 is the temperature we are looking at. Then a TRPV3. So V3 here it's nothing but camphor, and the temperature is greater than 35. What is the temperature? It is greater than 35. V4 is up to 34. So temperature is greater than 27 and less than up to 34. Then is the TRPM8. So what is meant by M8? M8 is a temperature around 8 to 28 degrees Celsius. It is 8 to the 28 degree Celsius. And you have menthol and mints. Menthol as well as mints, which fall under this category. Then we look at the TRPA1. The TRPA1 is a temperature below 17 degree Celsius. So temperature is below this 17 degree, and it is noxious mechanical as well as there is presence of a chemical stimuli. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.